me say, me come down your pan one stinking bus. You see the weather outside, you see how it hot. Everybody has for top. Me sit next to one oversized man. Him armpit them smell like onion. Yeah, Marissa Norwood, I'll be interviewing you today. Michelle Brown, nice to meet you, man. We'll just go straight into it. Perfect. So I've got your application here. Everything looks fine so far. Just gonna follow up by asking you a few questions and we'll take it from there. So Michelle, do you have any experience being a carer? Me is a very caring person in general, you know. I saw me and my attitude soft. Me care for every and anybody. Like my friend them, me care for them all the while. All the while them I call me, I tell me them man problem and say they don't know where they live and this, that, and the other and that. The one that have baby mother and all them things there. So me care for them. Me give them advice. You know, me make them sleep and me pace maybe 1-2 times, not all the time because me have 5 picnic for look after anyway. But me very caring, you know. Me is a very understanding and caring person. Okay, and in your time of being a carer, how many people were you a carer to? Whole heap of people! A whole heap of people me care for. Alright, so I have about 5 pitney, right? And the whole of them me care for. Not once me make anybody take care of them yet. 5 pitney me have, me know. Me look good for 5 pitney, don't. But anyway, I whole of them me care for. Take them to school all the time. Look after them. Care for them. Alright, my friend when me tell you just a while ago, care for them to even sometime babysit for them pitney. A whole heap of people me care for. Me very experienced. Yeah man, a whole heap of people me care for. Sure, me I tell you my heart, it too good. It too good, it care for a whole heap of people. Michelle, I think you've misunderstood the job role here. Yes, I understand. So you want me to take care of people? Yeah, but not quite. Okay, so you're applying to be a carer. Perfect. You would be, at the moment, you would be the carer of Suzanne. Suzanne is an elderly woman, meaning you would have to probably cook for her every now and again, clean, help her do things that she's unable to do. For example, change her if she's done, you know. Change? Change what? A week? More power week, yeah, chat about, you know. A number 1 or 2. Well on, let me get this straight. On the application it said carer. It never said nothing about no body cleaning, right? You are come tell me say me not understand it when you can't spell. You put carer, you never put body cleaner. It's part of your job role. I'm sorry you didn't understand. That make my head get hot now. So what you mean to tell me say me come down your pan one stinking bus? You see the weather outside, you see how it hot. Everybody has for top. Me sit next to one oversized man. Him armpit them smell like onion and him mouth well think up, right? Me not even get 1 seat to myself. A quarter of a seat me get for come down here. To be a nice caring person because me tell you say my heart soft. You a come tell me say you want me to clean Susan body. Let me tell you something. Me done waste my time come down here already. If me not get no job today, something I got happen, you know, and it's not going to be very caring. Okay, let's try and figure something out.